Students, now we'll go for the question number 4. Just I'll read the question, listen properly. You also read once. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower we have to find here. Horizontal distance is given. That means adjacent side of angle is given and angle also given. What we have to find? Height. It's a very simple question here. First one, what is main thing in this? Draw the figure. We have to draw the figure properly, then you solve it. Clear, children? Yeah. That is the question number 4. Height. So vertically, yes. And from here to here, 30 meters. You are observing the angle of elevation is given clearly 30 degrees. Right triangle formed. Yes, what we have to find? This height we have to find. Okay, that you can take as h meters. Clear, children? Obviously, then we can take as triangle ABC. Clear? AB length we don't know. The height of the pole or whatever it is given we have to find. Yes. Now we don't know opposite side. We know adjacent side. Then what is the related ratio? It's obviously tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Clear, children? Ratio we have to select properly, then you can solve it. Using the cot also you can do. Yes? Anyone? Yeah. Because tan is very simple. Opposite by adjacent side. Okay? Yeah. Apply from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC. What is theta is given here? 30 degrees. Tan theta is equal to, what is here? Theta is here. Opposite is AB. Adjacent side is BC. Theta value is 30. Tan 30 is equal to AB value we don't know, that is H. BC is 30. Clear, children? Tan 30 value apart from the trigonometric table. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Applying this, 1 by root 3 is equal to H by 30. Clear, children? Yeah. Now what we have to find? H value. Cross multiply 30 into 1 is 30. 30 by root 3. H is equal to 30 by root 3. Again denominator is irrational number. What we have to do? Rationalization. Root 3 by root 3. 30 into root 3, no change. Root 3 into root 3, what is? 3. Cancel. 3 ones are and 3 tens. Finally 10 root 3. Then h is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower or height of the pole is what is here? 10 root 3 meters. Clear, children? Students, now we'll go for question number 5. I'll read the question. The kite is flying at a height 60 meters above the ground. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached, string is nothing but it's a thread, okay? The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. That means angle of elevation is given 60 degrees. Find length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Means it is like a straight line. Yes, we have to find length of the thread or string. Clear, children? First, according to the given information, we have to draw the figure. Height from the ground level. What is the height is given? 60 meters above the ground. Suppose this is the ground level. Okay. This is the height 60 meters. And here somewhere point on the ground and tight. What is here? String or thread. Clear children? What is the angle between the string and this horizontal line is 60 degrees. Clearly given, that is the condition. Okay? Yes. What we have to find according to the situation? Can you? This length we have to find. What is this one? Hypotenuse of the figure. Yes? Assume it triangle ABC. This is the hypotenuse and this is opposite side. Clear children? Okay. Now which ratio we have to use in this? Obviously sine. Yes? We'll go for the sine. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Using this we have to find. Theta is equal to what is? 60 degrees given. Clear children? Yeah. From triangle ABC, sine theta is equal to, what is sine theta here? Opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Clear? Sine theta value is what is? Theta is 60. Sine 60 degrees is equal to AB value 60 and AC value we don't know. AC only. Yes. Sine 60 value according to the trigonometric table, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Yes. Apply here. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 60 by AC. Cross multiply. AC is equal to 60 into 2 divided by root 3. What is it? 120 by root 3. What is the denominator again? It is an irrational number. We have to rationalize. Rationalize root 3 by root 3. Then it is 120 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. What is answer? 3. Clear children? Cancel this. 3 ones are 3 40s. Then what is answer here? 40 root 3. What we are finding here? AC value. AC is equal to 40 root 3 meters. Clear children? What is asking? Find the length of the string. Therefore, the length of the string or length of the thread is equal to what is? 40 root 3 meters. Clear children? This is the answer.